Hello, welcome to Homes in Space. Today I'm here at Tata. Tata is coming up with a new property right before the airport toll gate. It's again a golden land parcel. This property is 135 acres. The name is called Tata Carnatic. It's based on the South India's music. Right now I'm at a land where it's at a pre-launch. This is an apartment by Tata Group. This has an access just after the airport toll gate with a 100 feet grand entrance, main door. Right before the toll, you have another access which will lead you to the property. This project is in 135 acres. The location is quite exciting. It's just 10 minutes before the international airport. 10 minutes from KIADB Aerospace Park. It's just 5 minutes to Devnali Business Park. Right now, you are at a hot spot. Now, what's in it for you guys? You're just 1 kilometer away from the Prestige Mall, that's 13 degree. Right there, you have a Prestige Tech Cloud, which is 33 acres of workspace. Again, coming back to the upcoming metro, which we cannot miss, that's going to be functional till your property gets the handover. That's excellent. Coming back to the schools, you have DPS North and you have Vidyashilp. You have international schools from Embassy, Stonehill International. You have Embassy Excellence of Academy right inside a radius of 3 kilometers to 5 kilometers only. Coming back to the hospitals, you're very close to Akash Hospital, which is in Devnali. It's backed by NIMS. You have Aster CMI, which is at Hebal. You have a Sparsh Hospital, which is at Hennur Road. So within the radius of 3 to 5 kilometers, you have very good hospitals. Inside this great luxury township of 135 acres developed by Tata, you have amenities. To start off with, you have a natural lake inside the premises. Post that, you have 4 clubhouses, one for your business, one for your leisure, one clubhouse which will be only for your sports amenities, and the 4th one will be backed by a banquet hall. Backed by the indoor and outdoor recreations, we have a clubhouse which includes a yoga deck, a space for party, your indoor games. You have a spa, sauna. Apart from that, swimming pools, which is right inside your clubhouse. Coming back to the outdoor amenities, you have a huge kids play area, amphitheaters, you have pickleball court and tennis courts, etc. This township of 135 acres has apartments in 61 acres in 3 phases. Phase 1, which is of 20 acres, will have tower number 24 to tower 30. These are G+10 and G+12 structures. They have 72 units per tower. Every tower will have 6 units per floor with 3 lifts. Coming back to the row houses, they have 24 row houses which are released now. There are about 80 to 90 townhouses which are planned inside this community. Now I'm going to reveal the prices and the sizes of 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. The 2 bedrooms will be at 1400 square feet super built up with a carpet area of close to 1100 square feet, which will be priced at 1 crore 76 lakhs onwards. The 3 bedroom has 2 variations, 3 bedroom 2 toilet and 3 BHK 3 toilet. 3 BHK 2 toilet is 1700 square feet with a carpet area close to 1300 square feet. Coming back to the larger 3 bedroom, that's close to 1900 to 2000 square feet, followed by the carpet area, which is 1450 square feet to 1500 square feet. Coming back to the row house, it's going to be 3400 square feet, super built up area, ground plus 2 floors. This will be having a private garden. This will also be priced from 4 to 5 CR onwards. For this pre-launch, I would request you to reach us out as soon as possible. The payment terms will be staggered as per construction link plan, which will be 10% on booking and 10% after a month on agreement. Rest will be taken care by the banks.
For more details, kindly reach out to given below number or www.homesandspace.com.